Hello, Mr. Linley, the bearded investor here. This is 2622 Halsey. It's a 2,366 square foot, 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath. The property is being auctioned off Saturday, October 8th and Sunday, October 9th from 1 to 5. The bidding will start at $50,000. Currently, the county appraisal is $145,000. That's 65% below value. The property would make a great home for somebody or for an investor, a good rehab and flip, or a rental. As a rental, it could be split into two properties, a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, or kept as one huge house. Rents would bring about $2,000 a month. If you'd like to know more about the property, stop by and see us Saturday or Sunday for inspection and viewing. Otherwise, give us a call at 233-1003 and leave your name and number. Thank you. Here's the video. Alright, the property is right behind Port HEB. It's 2630 Halsey. It's a huge property. It's 2-story. The yard is completely fenced in, double driveways. Got one on that side, one on this side. Both of them have the rolling gates. Left side here, you've got a 1-car garage. And then we also have a good-sized storage shed back there behind the garage. Full deck goes all the way across the front. The main house is this side. It's a living room, dining room. It's actually a 3-bedroom, 2-bath on this side. And then the add-on is a full bath, kitchen, living room, second laundry area. You got a kitchen, stove, refrigerator, little pantry closet. There's your laundry facility. The house does have central heat and air on this side. The add-on is not completely finished, so it doesn't have the central heat and air yet. Good size house. Let's see. There's actually, we got 1 bedroom downstairs here. Right here. Let's find the light switch. There we go. Got 1 bedroom downstairs with its own bathroom. Guess you could call it a master. And then upstairs we have 2 more bedrooms with, I think, 2 more bathrooms. Let me check. For me as an investor, what I would say the property needs is flooring, paint. There's 1 bedroom with a little closet. And then here's our full bathroom right here. Okay, got a full bath right here. This would be the 3rd bedroom because we had 1 downstairs, so that's 2 of them upstairs. Okay. Actually, here's a 4th bedroom. So altogether, this house will be a 5-bedroom house with 1, 2, 3.5 baths. So here's, this must be the master because you've got your bedroom, and then you've got a full bath, toilet, sink, and you have matching double walk-in closets. Good sized closets. 1 on this side, and 1 on this side. So this is the original part of the house when it was built. So I guess the main house was built with 2 stories and 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths and a half bath. So the guy had a contractor come in, the gentleman I purchased it from. They built on another 1,000 square foot, which is a gigantic bedroom. It's a little dark in here because the light's not here yet. This is the add-on. This would be basically a big living area. It's called what we call dry finish. Basically, the foundation was put in, the flooring, all the framing, the roof, it's shingled. It's pretty much closed in. What's left is it's going to need the electric on the add-on, the central air for the add-on, your plumbing, sheetrock, your finish out work.